using single words for phrases and sentences. Words denoting places. Question 1. A place where animals are kept alive and live, as in their natural state. A. Stick. B. Habitat. C. Vivarium. The correct answer is C. Vivarium. A place where animals are kept alive and live as in their natural state is vivarium. Question 2. A place where plates, dishes, pots, and other cooking utensils are washed up. A. Scullery. B. Kitchen. C. Store. The correct answer is A. Scullery. A place where plates, dishes, pots, and other cooking utensils are washed up is scullery. Question 3. A place for the care and treatment of convalescents and persons suffering from tuberculosis. A. Tuberceum. B. Sanatorium. C. Leprosarium. The correct answer is B. Sanatorium. A place for the care and treatment of convalescents and persons suffering from tuberculosis is sanatorium. Question 4. A residence for monks or priests. A. Monastery. B. Convent. C. Nunnery. Question 5. A place where clothes are washed and ironed. A. Washery. B. Pressery. C. Laundry. Question 6. A place where milk is converted into butter and cheese. A. Butchery. B. Dairy. C. Milkery.